Okay, we're going to take a look at a problem where we need to calculate the mean, median, descriptive statistics. This is one of the homework problems this week, and I don't mind sharing a homework problem with you every now and then. In this problem, it says the maximum number of seats in a sample of 13 sport utility vehicles are listed below. Find the mean, median, and mode of the data. We're going to do this in Minitab, but the first thing we need to do is copy the data. All right, I'm going to copy the data by clicking this little icon. I click it, and I say Make Tab Delimited Copy. All right. Now over in Minitab, I'm going to pick a cell. I'm going to pick here, since my whole worksheet is blank, I'm going to just click here, and then right click and say Paste Cells. All right. Let's see if it gives me any trouble. Yeah, it did. And I like this because it gave me some issues here. I used a comma delimited, so believe it or not, I like to make mistakes. I'm going to use Control Z, take that out, then I'm going to show you what to do about that. I'm going back to the homework problem. I'm going to click to copy the table again, and I'm going to say Make Tab Delimited Copy. This is the one I usually use, so make that copy. Okay. Now let's try that, making a tab delimited copy. Right click, paste cells. Okay. Still, it's giving me some trouble. You say, what on earth can I do? Well, every once in a while, these will cause issues like this. I'm going to show you one more little trick. I would say that all of you have Excel on your computers. I just opened up Excel, picked a cell, say Control, paste into here. Paste perfectly. Now here's a little trick. I'm going to paste it into Excel, cover those, say Control C. I'm going to go back to Minitab. See if it'll let me get out of this. Yes, and then Control, paste cells. Worked like a charm. Now, all right, I'm going to label this. What was it? Number. I don't remember what number it was. Let's just call it data. You say, why do you have to call it anything? You really don't. But I like to get in the habit of labeling my data. Now, we want to get the mean, median, mode. Real easy to do. I go up to Stat in Minitab, Basic Statistics, Display Descriptive Statistics. Now, notice where I have, the cursor is under Variables. I click there, then I double click on C1 Data, which is where I stored my data. Now, the cool thing I can do is I can click Statistics, and I can pick what I want. I want the mean, leave that there. I don't need that. Don't need the standard deviation. What was the mean, median? Maybe the mode. Let's see if I can find the mode. It's there somewhere. There it is. And the mode. Say OK. And then say OK again. Notice it pops right into my session window. I've got the mean, the median, and the mode. Let's go see if those are correct. Okay, in my session window, my mean was 8.231 to the nearest tenth. So the nearest tenth is 1 decimal place. Let's check that answer. Ooh, we got it right. Next one, find the median. To the nearest tenth. My median was 8, but to the nearest tenth is 8.0. Got to put that 0 in there. Check that. Nailed it. All right, the mode. Looks like the mode is 7 to the nearest tenth. Well, I'm going to put 7.0. Check that answer. Fantastic! All right, we've completed that one. Now, again, I want to point out I had some issues there copying this data. Don't worry about it. You can have Excel handy, if you had to do that. This happens about 1 out of 25 or 30 times. So don't worry too much about it. That's how to get the mean, the median, and mode in Minitab.